What's up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can use Cryptoguru app. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. Suppose this is the Cryptoguru app. If you open it up, this is what you will see. Here is your virtual balance and all the things. Now, Cryptoguru app is actually for academy purpose. Academy purpose means these money and these things are for training purpose, and this is just a learning app that will teach you how to trade. So for that you just have to go to trade. You will be able to do all the stuff like a normal trading app. As you can see, you can actually buy or sell or trade here with your virtual money. Your money that you will be putting right here is not the real money. However, this is just a practice money. You will be able to invest it however you want. You will be able to do something like that. It totally depends upon you however you want to do it. So you just have to come to this app and you will be able to choose different options. You can place trades, you can play tournaments in which people are trading, and if you make more profit you will win the tournament. You can actually go to this academic section, and in the academic section there are like a lot of articles telling you how to trade, and there is your profile which will telling your progress, if your success is high or low. In the lobby or in the main page you will be able to see all the things. So the usage of app is pretty simple. Just open the app. In the home page you will be able to see shop for buying extra money, just in case if you want to buy it. This is just like a game thing, but it is teaching you how to actually trade. So just open up the app, go to trade, and start to place trades however you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.